Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best in everyday essentials. Today, we're diving into a pair of sneakers that are turning heads and making life easier for both kids and parents. The best lace-up sneaker canvas school shoes you'll find online. Let's take a closer look at what makes them a must-have for the back-to-school season. First impressions. These sneakers look simple, clean, and stylish. The low-top canvas design gives it a timeless look that goes with just about anything in your kid's wardrobe. Whether it's jeans, shorts, capris, or even skirts, these sneakers blend in effortlessly while still standing out just enough to show some personality. Available in a crisp white color, they're neutral and versatile, great for school uniforms or casual playwear. Now let's talk build and materials. These sneakers are crafted with a breathable canvas upper. That means no more sweaty feet after a full day of running around or being in the classroom. The fabric keeps things light and airy, giving your child the comfort they need for a long school day. It's made of durable, non-slip rubber, a must when you consider just how active kids can be. Whether they're playing on the playground or walking across slick hallways, these shoes provide stability and grip. One of the standout features here is the closure. These are slip-on sneakers but with a decorative lace-up look. That gives you the best of both worlds. A classic style that looks like a lace-up but functions like a slip-on. That's a big win for younger kids who are still learning to tie their shoes or for those hectic mornings when every second counts. Another thoughtful design element is the ergonomic construction. These shoes are lightweight and designed to resist wear and tear, which we all know is crucial when it comes to anything kids wear. They're built to last through everyday activities, from classroom routines to weekend adventures. In terms of practicality, these sneakers check all the boxes. They're easy to put on and take off, which encourages independence. They're also easy to clean, thanks to the canvas material. Just wipe them down or throw them in the wash and they're ready to go again. For sizing, you've got options ranging from 11 little kid to 3 big kid. That makes it easier to find the perfect fit, whether your child is just starting school or growing into the upper grades. The shoe is labeled under the girls department, but its clean, unisex design means it can easily work for boys as well. Let's not forget portability. These sneakers come in at just under 11 ounces and with compact packaging dimensions, they're lightweight and travel-friendly. Perfect for tossing into a school bag or suitcase for family trips. With a launch date of October 12, 2020, these shoes have already proven themselves as a long-lasting option in the market. They've secured a solid presence in Amazon's bestseller ranks and are part of the trusted BENEKER store lineup, a name that's gaining traction in the kids' footwear space. To sum it up, the boy and girl slip-on canvas sneaker is not just a fashion choice, it's a functional, parent-approved, and kid-loved option that's ideal for school and beyond. Whether it's the breathable canvas, slip-on ease, durable rubber sole, or everyday versatility, this shoe delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our look at one of the most reliable lace-up canvas school shoes available right now. If you want to simplify your child's school mornings while keeping them comfortable and stylish, these sneakers are a smart pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique, your go-to place for honest, in-depth product insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next review. See you in the next video.